Have you ever wondered why your eyes feel dry, irritating, or always fatigued? At 60, many individuals presume that dry eyes are only a typical aspect of aging. However, the fact is, everything you consume has a direct impact on your eye moisture and tear production. The good news: certain foods have been shown to reduce dry eyes by up to 99%, restoring natural hydration and preserving vision as you age, and yet most individuals never hear about these easy natural solutions. In this video, we're going to showcase 6 potent foods. It can greatly improve dry eyes. Around 60, these foods don't merely supply temporary respite, they work from the inside out, enhancing tear quality, decreasing inflammation, and avoiding long-term damage to your eyes. Whether your dryness is minor or severe, adding these into your diet can help you see and feel the difference. Remain with me to the finish, because what you eat could be the key to decreasing dry eyes for good. By the time we're done, you'll have a clear understanding of which foods make the largest influence and how easy it is to start utilizing them today. Let's get started. Number 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. One of the most effective ways to fight dry eyes isn't an eye drop. It's omega-3 fatty acids. These vital fats included in meals like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts have a key role in keeping your eyes lubricated and decreasing inflammation in the glands that create tears. In reality, studies demonstrate that folks who ingest enough omega-3s experience reduced symptoms of dry eye condition involving burning, irritation, and that gritty vibe that makes blinking uncomfortable. The problem: most folks over 60 don't receive nearly enough of these important lipids in their diet. Omega-3s function by increasing the composition of your tears, making them less prone to evaporate too fast. Without enough omega-3s, tears can develop instability, leading to chronic dryness and discomfort. Worse, further inflammation in theat glands can impede tear production altogether, leaving the eyes continually inflamed. But when omega-3 levels are repaired, the tear film becomes healthier, allowing for steady, continual wetness over the ocular surface. So where can you receive these vital nutrients? Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are some of the greatest sources delivering high-grade omega-3s that your body absorbs. Sesame, flax seeds, and chia seeds are fantastic plant-based options combined with walnuts and soybeans. And if you're not consuming these foods consistently, a high-quality fish oil supplement can aid fill the gap. If your eyes persistently feel dry, weary, or irritated, growing your omega-3 intake could be one of the easiest and most effective ways to bring back lasting moisture. It's not simply about eye health. It's about comfort, clear vision, and keeping your eyes performing at their optimum for years to come. Number 2. Vitamin A foods. One of the top causes dry eyes become worse with age is a shortage of vitamin A, a vitamin important for maintaining your tear film stable and prevents the surface of your eyes from drying out. Without enough vitamin A, your eyes struggle to produce high-quality tears, leading to persistent discomfort, redness, and itchy feeling. The good news: adding more vitamin A rich foods to your diet can substantially enhance tear production, keeping your eyes naturally moist. And because vitamin A is needed, because it maintains the mucus layer of your tear film, which is accountable for distributing moisture evenly throughout the eye. Without it, tears fade too swiftly, leaving the eyes feeling dry and inflamed. In more extreme situations, vitamin N insufficiency can even lead to night blindness and damage to the cornea. That's why having enough vitamin A is one of the simplest and most effective ways to fight dry eyes from the inside out. So what are the finest sources of vitamin A? Carrots, sweet potatoes, and butternut squash are some of the richest sources, rich in beta-carotene, which the body turns into vitamin A. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are also fantastic options, along with eggs and dairy items, which allow a more direct type of the vitamin. And for people who challenge to acquire enough through food, a high-quality vitamin A supplement can assist bridge the gap if your eyes continually feel dry, sensitive to light, or irritated. Adding more vitamin A-rich items to your diet could be a game-changer. Your body depends on this nutrition to keep your eyes moist and protected, and making the small alteration today can help avoid increasing dryness in the future. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 2 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue developing good articles to enlighten and inspire you now. Let's move forward. Number 3, hydrating meals with high water content. When most people think about dry eyes, they focus on eye drops or drugs. However, what they often overlook is one of the most essential causes of eye dryness: dehydration. Your body needs enough water to keep your tear glands working properly, and if you're not remaining hydrated, your eyes will be one of the first places to endure. The difficulty is, as we age, our natural thirst signals diminish, making it easier to become dehydrated without even recognizing. So that's why adding hydrated meals to your diet is one of the easiest ways to keep your eyes naturally moist. Thought regarding someone like Richard, an 81-year-old, who never drank much water during his life. He always assumed that if he wasn't thirsty, he didn't need to drink. But over time, he saw that his eyes felt gritty, especially in the mornings, and he regularly woke up with hazy eyesight that took longer to clear. At first, he blamed it on aging, but after his doctor advised upping his water intake through hydrating foods, anything altered within weeks of eating more cucumbers, watermelon, and celery. His eyes felt fresher and the persistent dryness evaporated. Your tear film is made up of 3 layers: oil, water, and mucus, and when you're not appropriately hydrated, the water layer becomes overly thin, leading to rapid evaporation and pain. Dehydration also lowers blood flow to the eyes, making it tougher for nutrients to reach the tear glands. This results in unstable tear production, leaving the eyes feeling fatigued, frustrated, and extremely sensitive to wind or strong light. So which meals aid the most? Cucumbers, watermelon, and celery are among the greatest because they are over 90% water filled with electrolytes that help hydration. Oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers are also fantastic picks since they provide both hydration and vitamin C, which helps minimize inflammation in the tear glands. Basic foods like broth-based soups and yogurt can contribute to improved hydration, aiding maintain tear volume and moisture levels. If your eyes often feel dry, itchy, or exhausted, you might not require extra eye drops. You might only need greater hydration. Eating water-rich foods can restore moisture to your tear glands, keeping your eyes naturally refreshed without relying on artificial solutions. Making this one simple modification can assist avoid chronic dryness, protect your eyesight, and improve overall eye health for years to come. Number 4, antioxidant-rich foods. Lutein in known of the most overlooked reasons of dry eyes is oxidative stress, a procedure where damaging chemicals called free radical harm the delicate tissues of the eyes. Gradually time, this tension weakens the tear glands, leading to unstable tear production and worsening dryness. Although here's the good news: certain antioxidants, especially lutein and xanthan, help protect your eyes from this damage and keep your tear film strong. These 2 strong nutrients filter out damaging blue light, decrease inflammation, to increase overall eye moisture. Take someone like Eleanor, a 76-year-old who loved reading, but found herself dealing with eye fatigue and dryness after just a few pages. She assumed it was just part of getting older, but after learning about the power of lutein and xanthan, she started adding more antioxidant-rich items to her diet, particularly eggs, kale, and bell peppers. Within a few weeks, she observed a tremendous difference. Not only did her eyes feel less dry, but she could read for longer periods without discomfort. What she didn't comprehend was that these antioxidants were helping strengthen her tear glands, permitting her body to create higher-grade tears. Lutein and xanthin are naturally present in the molar of the eye, where they absorb blue light and minimize oxidative stress. Without enough of these nutrients, the eyes become more sensitive, tear production decreases, and inflammation increases, making dry eyes considerably worse. Studies have showed that persons who consume enough lutein and xanthin not just experience reduced dryness, but also maintain sharper vision as they age. Therefore, where can you get these vital antioxidants? Eggs are one of the greatest sources, as they contains lutein and xanthin in a form that is readily absorbed by the body. Dark leafy greens like kale, spinach, and collard greens are also wonderful alternatives, along with yellow and orange vegetables like bell peppers, corn, and squash. Even pistachios contain tiny levels of these strong nutrients. If your eyes often feel dry, uncomfortable, or exhausted, especially after screen time, your body might be lacking the antioxidants it needs to safeguard your tear glands. By eating extra lutein and zeaxanthin and rich foods, you can strengthen your eye health, minimize dryness, and keep your vision sharp for years to come. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 4 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I commend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue developing good articles to enlighten and inspire you. Now, let's move onward. Number 5, nuts and seeds for vitamin E. One of the main reasons dry eyes get worse with aging is injury to the tear glands caused by oxidative stress over time. The little glands responsible for decreasing tears become weakened and irritated, leading to decreased tear quality and higher evaporation. Yet there's a simple solution: vitamin E, a strong antioxidant that protects these glands, prevents harm, and helps maintain healthy tear production. By ingesting additional vitamin E foods to your diet, you can nourish your eyes from the inside out and prevent dryness from growing worse. Take someone like Henry, a 79-year-old who fought with searing, itchy eyes every night. He tried everything: eye drops, humidifiers, even prescription meds, but nothing appeared to bring enduring relief. Then a friend suggested adding additional vitamin E foods to his meals. Within a couple weeks of eating more almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts, something changed. His eyes felt more comfortable, the constant discomfort disappeared, and he no longer relied on artificial tears every few hours. What Henry didn't comprehend was that vitamin E was helping mend his tear glands, allowing them to make more high-quality tears. Vitamin E is important for preserving the cells of the eyes from oxidative stress, which is a major source of age-associated eye troubles. Without enough vitamin E, the tear glands break down faster, resulting to increased dryness, irritation, and discomfort. Studies have found that persons who consume adequate vitamin E encounter less eye trouble, includes dry eye syndrome, cataracts, and possibly macular degeneration. Therefore, where may you acquire this key nutrient? Nuts, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts are some of the greatest sources, giving high levels of natural vitamin E that the body absorbs readily. Avocados, spinach, and olive oil are also fantastic possibilities, giving a mix of vitamin E and other antioxidants that help long-term eye health. Even a handful of nuts each day can deliver lasting protection for your tear glands. If your eyes constantly feel dry, irritated, upping your vitamin intake could be the missing component. This strong new nutrient works to protect, repair, and moisten your eyes, assisting them function at their optimum for years To come number 6, probiotic and gut nutritious foods. One of the most startling causes of dry eyes has nothing to do with your eyes at all. It starts in your gut. Your digestive health is directly connected to inflammatory levels in the body. And when your gut is out of equilibrium, your eyes commonly suffer. Studies have found that patients with poor gut health feel more acute dry eye symptoms, while those who consume probiotics and gut-friendly food tend to have better tear production and decreased inflammation. That's because a healthy gut helps control immune responses, avoiding the tear glands from getting irritated and dysfunctional. Think of someone like Judith, an 80-year-old who had struggled having dry, inflamed eyes for years. She assumed it was just part of aging, but she also faced with regular bloating and stomach trouble. What she didn't realize was that her gut health was contributed to her eye troubles after adding extra probiotic-rich meals like yogurt, kimchi, and kefir to her diet. Something changed. Not only did her digestion improve, however, her dry eye symptoms also faded, and she felt obvious alteration in her overall comfort. The reason this works is because your belly and eyes are connected through the immune system. When the intestines is inflamed, it can cause an immune reaction that destroys the tear glands, leading to irregular tear production and increasing dryness. But by enhancing gut health, you help minimize overall irritation, allowing the eyes to stay moisturized naturally. So what are the greatest gut-friendly foods for eye health? Probiotic-loaded foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir introduction helpful microorganisms that help minimize inflammation throughout the body. High-fiber meals like oats, beans, and leafy greens feed these beneficial bacteria, encouraging improved digestion and immunity balance. Even fermented foods like miso and pickles can deliver potent anti-inflammatory properties that support tear production. If your eyes constantly feel dry, high, and itchy, especially with digestive difficulties, your gut health could be the missing link. By eating more probiotic and fiber-rich foods, you can boost digestion, reduce irritation, and naturally restore moisture to your eyes. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 6 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue developing good articles to enlighten and inspire you. Now, let's move forward. Final thoughts. Now that we've explored these 6 powerful foods, take a time to think on how your diet might be damaging your eyes. Many people suppose dry eyes are just a natural aspect of aging. But as we've seen today, what you eat plays a vital impact in sustaining moisture, avoiding irritation, and safeguarding your vision for years to come. The best part, these foods don't just aid with dry eyes, they support your overall wellness, decreasing inflammation, boosting circulation, and keeping your body working at its optimum. Maybe you've noticed your eyes feeling dry after lengthy durations of reading or screen time, or perhaps you wake up with a gritty sensation that doesn't seem to go away. Instead of relying on artificial tear that just provide momentary alleviation, why not approach the problem from the inside out, boosting your intake of omega-3s, vitamin A, hydrating foods, antioxidants, vitamin E with probiotics can change your eye health naturally without the need for medicines or continuous eye drops. The essential takeaway here is easy. Your body offers you the tools to heal. You only have to give it the right fuel. By making modest modifications to your diet, you can restore moisture to your eyes, enhance tear production, and protect your vision for the long run. And the best part, these dishes are excellent, easy to incorporate, and bring benefits way beyond eye health. Thank you for joining us now. We'd love to hear from you. Make a remark below and share one item you learned today and how you plan to apply it in your life. Your thoughts are vital to us. Therefore, don't hesitate to share them. Reading your remarks gives us immense motivation and encouragement. If you loved this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Your contribution helps us continue making good material to inform and encourage you. Thanks for viewing, and we look forward to seeing you in the future video.